a DJ spends 10 hours per week discovering music and organizing crates. It's a very tedious process. What's up, guys? Martin us back again with another video. Alright, and guess what? In this video we are going to be discussing record pools. This is like a second edition. I had a video earlier on. Link is going to be up here. Alright, I was discussing the pros and the cons of digital DJ pool and franchise record pool. But a lot of DJs have been, reaching out, where can I get music? What's the best place to get music? And, sometimes it's kind of misleading sometimes when the record pools put out what they necessarily have. And sometimes it's not really gusso, right? It's something different. All right. So to save you time, because you search for the video, what's the best record pool? So to save you time, I'm going to compare digitaldjpool.com with heavy hits. All right, so let's jump on over to Digital DJ Pool, okay, and see what I go on fit. So Digital DJ Pool, okay. So once you actually sign into Digital DJ Pool, this is how it looks. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to be giving you the pros before the cons, okay. Now digital DJ Pool is $1 for 5 days. That's your trial feature. They give you 5 days for $1, right? Now, throughout that 5 days, you can cancel at any time. After the 5 days, you'll be charged $20 per month, but you can still cancel at any time. What I love about Digital DJ Pool, as I said before in my other video, is the layout. It is straightforward. It's not clustered. It's right there. Over here you have your genres. You could select them. You could narrow down your BPM to any range and filter out tracks. Dirty, clean. The key, you could filter it out. The month, you could filter it out. Okay. Trending tracks, another great option. If you're not familiar with certain music, like let's say if you're an RBR DJ, you're not familiar with house music or stuff like that, it gives you trending tracks, right? Featured is another thing right here that's pretty much it's similar to like trending tracks, right? You could go into different genres, and it pretty much shows you what's basically hot, or remixes or stuff like that, when tracks have been uploaded, so whatever is featured there. Feed now, pretty much this is where you could interact with other DJs, right? So it pretty much gives you DJ information, like here's DJ VIP. I think this is probably part of the Digital DJ pool, one of the DJs. But if you click onto that DJ, it tells you what DJ is from. It gives you the followers, the uploads that the DJ has uploaded. It gives you social media information. This is useful to actually, interact with other DJs. Let's say you're from New York like I am. I'm going to be playing in LA. Want to know what's hot? I can reach out to other DJs, make a link. They could do that vice versa. What's hot in your city? And it's form of communication. And I actually love this feature in Digital DJ Pool. The next thing is they have an app, so you can on the go. It's easy to stack up tracks that you browse the library and stack up tracks. So with those features, it's a plus for Digital DJ Pool. All right. The only drawback with Digital DJ Pool, the con, is your tracks. If you're a DJ starting out, and let's say you pretty much need to catch up on songs, like you need songs from way back 90s, 2000s, that's going to be a big issue. So bear that in mind if you're going to sign up for digital DJ Pool. Let's jump over to all right, let's get the screen ready for Heavy Hits Record Pool. Let's jump over to Heavy Hits Record Pool right now. I gotta use a different browser. I don't want to use the same browser for it. Okay, so here we are, Heavy Hits Record Pool. I recently signed up for Heavy Hits Record Pool, like 2 weeks to pretty much, it's less than a month, that I'm sure of, right? And I have to say, I'm really impressed with this record pool, right? Now, when you go to the sidebar, you have home, playlist, blog, new releases, chart, and create. Now, what feature I love the most is playlist. Hit playlist. And this is a feature basically, as a DJ, this is like gold, you know what I mean? Because I don't care how many different genres, you know, or how well experienced you are. There's like trillions of songs in the world, like a lot of songs. And, you know, as a DJ, to get inspired or get inspiration from other DJs, or, you know, what's going on, another DJ putting up a playlist, that's great. Because once you download one song or you listen to one song, something pops up in your head and, you know, like you say, oh, I remember this song. Let me go for another song. And that's how you start building crates. It's a great inspiration when you come in here and browse. 90s exclusive. All right. TikTok top trending. Just take a typical example of how the playlist works here. All right. So the next part of it is new releases. Pretty much you go into new releases, and straightforward as it says, it's going to give you what tracks have been uploaded. Okay, you can actually go in, select a genre, and narrow it down. Charts, moving a little slow. Over here on the right, you have Heavy Hits, you have Spotify. So I think you could search 2 different databases. You could search Spotify charts, and you could break it down to your genre, right? So I think that's pretty much straightforward. Over here, let's go advanced. You could, you know, add tags. Over here, you have where you could go 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, BPM range, keys, the type of music, if it's dirty, clean, radio, acapella, the genre again broken down here. So everything that's on Heavy Hits or on Digital DJ Pool is here. And more. It's just that it's not right there, right in front of you. So you got to go through a little bit of digging up to actually find what you want, but it's there. All right. What's this button for? Oh, so this button actually shows you your clean, right off the bat, clean, dirty, instrumental, you know, stuff like that. But if you toggle it off, it takes it away. Light mode. So you have the option to actually have a bright white side if that's what you're into, you know, but I prefer dark mode. It's more easier on the eyes. Right? So create, and as we're going to talk about creates, you're still able to stack up tracks on the go. Now, Heavy Hits does not have an app like Digital DJ Pool, but their website works great on mobile. So I don't think they need an app, because pretty much you type in the website on your smartphone, on your iPad, it fits to the screen. You don't gotta keep, you know, turning left and right. All right. The cost for Digital DJ Pool is $7.99 for 30 days. So that's a trial. Now, compared to 5 days for $1, right? So $10. So $2 10 days, right? 20 days $4, 30 days $6. So pretty much 30 days, $6 with digital DJ pool. Over here it's $7.99. So you're saving pretty much $1.99. But look on it in this way: digital DJ pool, after the 5 days, you're going to be charged $20, right? So you have with heavy hits, 30 days at $7.99. So I think that's best, right? Because I don't think you can use 5 days to necessarily judge a record pool for yourself. So you need more time. You need actually a month. A month is fair enough. After that month, they charge $24.99. So it's a bit more costly than digital DJ pool. But in my opinion, I think it's more worth it. With the playlist and stuff like that, I think it's way more worth it. You could get more music with heavy hits. Okay, so my choice is with heavy hits. So if you're just getting started in DJ business, try heavy hits record pool. Okay, I think that you will like this one more than the others. Now, if you're a DJ and you're out there and you know of another pool that's actually better, that you could get more music or it's better value for your money, please put it down in the comments. Let all the Dust Nation DJs or people who are interested in downloading music from a pool, save them some time, because honestly, most of the times these stuff are time consuming, where you have to actually I'm saving you time for you not to just waste time going in, download, doing subscriptions that, trying 30 days. No, just use heavy hits and save yourself a bunch of time. All right. With that being said, a lot of people hitting me up for 90s dancehall. Okay, I'm putting together a 90s dancehall folder. I'll be uploading it. So make sure you subscribe or hit notification bell to get notified when I upload new content, because this is what's going to happen. I'm going to put up the 90s crate soon for 30 days, right? So it's going to be there, but the link is going to be for 30 days. So everyone that's subscribed to my channel, they'll have a code to put in for 30 days. And just download it. So if you're not subscribed or have your notification bell on, it's going to miss out on that. All right. So it's exclusive to the team. It's exclusive to the people who are roll with the Dust Nation. You don't know music, passion, music, love. You know what I mean? Big up all of the DJ that we're putting in the work, and all the DJs that's helping other DJs too. Okay? All right. Each one help one and teach one. All right. With that being said, you don't know Martin does. I'm in the building, but no, I'm going to be out the building. So you don't know the thing, but keep it real. Big ups to you, big up yourself, and stay safe. Stay safe. Right now, we're in a period where they must say coronavirus or something like that. But listen, stay safe, wash your hands, do what you gotta do. Keep your family safe, all right?